Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out, and this is going to be a giveaway. Now the person who comments first, third, and fifth will be winners of this awesome watch face. Now the guy who created this watch face goes by the name of Jeweler. I'm going to call him the Jeweler. Now the name of the watch face is called Jeweler Target Hybrid. It's a very awesome looking watch face, worthy of the download in the Gear Manager store, and it is affordable as well. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face right now. In the always on mode, you're going to get a similar look in AOD mode that you would when the watch face is on. Now when the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness of this watch face starts to show itself, right? First of all, I'm liking analog hands. I like the way it lights up, but you get the best of both worlds with this watch face too, right? But I like the uniqueness of the digital time. You got your hour at the top and your minute down at the bottom. Not a bad look at all. You get your month, you get your date, you get the days of the week as well. Over here, you're gonna get your heart rate, floors climbed information, and this is your step info, and you could tap into that and go into your step status, get your calories burned. I mean, you got different areas of this watch face that I'm not going to go through where you could tap into and get all your step status info you can ever think about. Now what I also like about this watch face, first of all, right, is the customization, right? So if I tap right here, I can change the theme of the watch face at will. We're going to cycle through most of them just so you can get an idea of what you're going to get once you download this watch face. I thought the developer really did a good job on this watch face. Now, that's not it, right? Check this out. I'm going to tap on this half, and I'm going to change the look of this watch face, right? Right here. We tap into it. Check that out, right? But that's not it. Let's cycle through a couple of more. We got to show you, right? And this is what you're going to get. Now, let's tap over here. Same thing. You could do half and half, but that's not it. Check this out. Let me tap. Let me go into it, and then I could do the same thing up here. If I could tap in the right spot, there you go, right there. I thought this was an awesome look, and I'm quite sure you could do it right there as well. And you did see shortcuts, right? And right here you can add any shortcut you want to. You can add them in 3 different spots. You can add one here. You can also add one right there. I thought this was definitely an awesome look, worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. But hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face, and I really enjoyed doing this review. I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up for this one for creativity and style. Not a bad looking watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.